Hello, everybody. This is an extended version of the short video I have posted about mending a knitted sweater. I'm using an old-fashioned sewing tool. It just helps to thread a thicker yarn through the eye of the needle. And start by turning your garment inside out. Use clips. Clips work better with this sort of fabric, this sort of knitted fabric. And then to hold it all together, rather. And then what I'm doing is I'm using a kind of a thicker yarn. It's not wool, but it's also not as thin as regular thread. And I'm just weaving the yarn in and out through the stretched out bits of the threads where the hole is. I'm just sort of weaving that needle and yarn back and forth through there to secure and reinforce the yarn, the fibers around the hole. And once I'm satisfied with that, then I will join the two sides of the hole, of the opening. Now, you might be wondering why I'm using black yarn. Two reasons. One, it's to show what I'm doing a little bit better. Two, it's all I had on hand, but it would be better to use matching yarn so that the repair is less discernible. However, as I say, this is in an armpit. This is a very old favorite sweater of my partner, and he will not mind whatsoever. Nobody will ever see it. The main thing is that we have restored a favorite garment. It hasn't hit the landfill. We haven't needed to go buy something new. He loves this sweater, and I'm happy to repair it for him. And I encourage you to, first of all, if you do get a little hole in a garment, don't wait too long. It's much easier to fix it if it is dealt with sooner than later. But you know, if you love your clothes and you want them to stick around, take the time to repair them. It's really not that difficult, and you certainly do not need a sewing machine to do this. You can do this sort of thing by hand with a needle and thread. Have a great day. Stick with me for more mending and enjoy your sewing. Bye-bye for now.